Crescendo.
And our honors period, you see the Warbots 9408 immediately out to the center line. It looks like they're trying to get a note as well. More Peak City's Robotics picks up a note on the edge. They're going to go back for one more, not quite pick it up. Meanwhile, the Nerd Herd are cleaning up the area in front of the red speaker. While we have SuperNURDs 3255 doing the same on the blue line. SuperNURDs heading immediately over to their man, trying to put 1-2 in there. Doesn't look like they scored one yet. They're going to keep working on that one. The red alliance, we have Nerd Herd cleaning up around in front of the red driver station. Lucas scoring one note into the speaker already. We have 294, that's Peak City's Robotics, shooting those across the field. 3255 with SuperNURDs. It looks like they just got that note instinct. They're going to get their second one, but they're going to back up the 9408 for that one instead. 9408 scores very quickly. While the SuperNURDs line up their top speaker, and they've got it in their supply mode. Let's see if 9408 can get any more notes to get the game, and they do. That's one color. They're looking for a third note. Looks like we just ran out of time there on the red side of the field. The Nerd still working very hard at filling up that hand. You can see that note a little bit too far out of the field. And they're going to line up for that second note into the speaker. They've got it. We're in an amplified streak. We're going to line to see how many more notes they can score. They've already got one from the Nerd Herd. They're going to line up one more shot, not quite making it in on the blue line. SuperNURDs has finished that amp. And 9408 to Warbots scoring one during the amplified period. Westlake Robotics now playing defense against 294. Trying to slow them down as they're reading notes from their alliance partners, Nerd Herd. Nerd Herd doing an excellent job cleaning up those notes on the defense, getting them into the speaker, getting them into the amp. They're struggling a little bit with their notes right now. They're going to line up for one more shot, not quite making it in. Blue side of the field, Westlake playing defense on two red robots right now. While the blue line expert driving from the Warbots to get out of that traffic jam in the corner. They're going to return to the speaker for the amplified period. They're going to shoot one up and into the speaker. Blue's playing a little bit of a dangerous game for the blue stage during their last 20 seconds of the match, but they're going to escape. 294 Peak Cities. Going to shoot one more up into the speaker. Luna's going to one more into the speaker as well. On the side of the field, 9408 looks like they might be trying to climb. 1148 is going to make it under, and 294.